Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ain Najwa binti Zainuddin, S51706, and this is my slide presentation for Alternative Assessment FIS 3801. For the contents of this template, there's 5 chapters, and for the first chapter is Introduction. Background of study. I was interviewed Encik Ayub bin Endut, 51 years old, owner of the boat of the fishing boat with fish trap as a fishing vessel. I interviewed him for a case study. And the product overview is ikan gerisi, ikan kerapu, and other species. Objective and benefit of study is the purpose of this study is to make a case study about fishing boat project from the information gained by the nearby fishermen community. And the benefit of this study is we can collect the real data information, and from this data we can do feasibility analysis of the case study. The vision is this study is to collect the primary data from the real data based on the interview, and the mission is by asking the few questions to Encik Ayub and his workers based on the questions given in this study. For the Chapter 2, Description of Fishing Unit. For the fishing boat, Encik Ayub used Zone C type fishing boat, and the size is 68 feet. The horsepower is 400, and the accessories used is echo sounder and GPS. For the fishing vessel, the fish trap is used by this boat, and the size of fish trap is 2.4 feet, and the material is stainless steel. Chapter 3, Production Plan and Fishing Operation. Fishing ground and fishing method is used to catch fish near the seafloor. The fish traps are weighed at the bottom of the sea when they are placed, and they land right away up to the seafloor. The fishing base and landing place of Encik Ayub is he will land the fish production at mini complex LKIM Kerteh. The production plan, most of the time, the brokers already wait for his crew to be arrived from the sea. Since the production is quite a large scale with huge amount of production each trip, the production already has the buyer for each trip. The type of fish production is ikan kerisi and ikan kerapu, and there's a few other species that will be sold at the low price. For the fish handling, the fish will be sorted into different species and different grade and size. For the Chapter 4, Marketing Plan. Trend and Industry Growth. DOF manage regulates marine capture fisheries. Yang fishing without license is a crime that can be prosecuted under this act. And the market overview. The species that caught by Encik Ayub and his crew is in high demand by the communities, especially for big restaurants that provide a fish-based meal. And the market size and trends, the fish will be sold directly after stored out from the landing place. The strategy opportunities, the fishermen can extend the business with exportation outside Malaysia, and the fish product is a high demand. Target market is a broker or the middleman, since the production of fish is large and suitable for exportation. The market characteristic is the location of market is located directly in mini complex LKIM Kerteh. And the distribution and marketing strategy, the fish will be sold directly after sold out from the landing place. Chapter 4, Financial Analysis. This is the cash flow. The investment in Encik Ayub invests over 1 million for his fishing boat project. And the conclusion, based on cash flow management and sensitivity testing that had been done, the fishing boat project of Encik Ayub was feasible in every aspect. The net present value NPV is over 1 million, which show a good data. The practicality of this fish trap fishing boat plan is accepted. This MPV shows that the company project is on the track, and the BC ratio of the gross benefit from the cash flow shows to cost was 2.52. Finally, with an IRR of 31.48%, the initiative outperformed bank interest. That's all from me. Thank you.